Hey everyone, welcome to the Mac Life channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace is not showing up. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is the absolute must, which is to update your Facebook app. So you want to simply go into your App Store or Play Store if you are in Android. And from here, just find a Facebook app and make sure that you don't have the update button available. If you have one, just tap on the update button. Once you're done, next thing is that you want to check for your marketplace eligibility. Because if you are not eligible for marketplace, such as your location is not one of the locations that marketplace is available in, then that would mean you won't be able to get the marketplace feature. And also make sure that your account's age is 18 years old or older. So you can set that with your birthday. So to do that, you simply need to go to your menu on the bottom right here, tap on that and tap on the gear icon on the top right, which is the settings. And now from here, tap on Meta Account Center. Now tap on personal details and tap on birthday. This is where you can set your account age. So you can just tap on edit right here, and then you can just set your birth date right here. So that's how you do it. And then next, if this doesn't still solve your problem, then what you can do is to switch to a different device and log in from there and see if you have now the marketplace available. So if you can see the marketplace right here on your menu, and you can see more so that you can see everything right here that is available. And if you're still not finding the marketplace, in this way we would be able to verify if it's an account problem or device problem right here. So if it's showing up right here on your other device, you have your marketplace, and then all you have to do is just reinstall your Facebook account or just restart your device on your main phone, and from there it should fix it. But if not, then that would mean that it's an account issue. In this case, what we would need to do is that we would need to go here into help and support right there, and then from here tap on report a problem. Now tap on continue to report, tap on include, and then from here just select marketplace, which is right here. So let's just find it, which is right here. And now what went wrong? You just simply want to state your problem. Just say that you are not having the marketplace option on your app, and then you want to provide your details such as your age, your current location, your email, and so on and so forth, depending on what they would need as additional information from you. And then you can also tap here and take a screenshot, and from here you can take a screenshot on your menu that you don't have the marketplace button, and then just like that. And then once you have explained everything, tap here on send, and then you would now be able to report the issue to Facebook, and then they would give you a specific solution to your problem. So yeah, this is the best way that you can solve this. And lastly, you can check the link in the description if you want to purchase ready-to-go Facebook Marketplace accounts for you to sell on. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.